creative minds, welcome to the episode 2 of our bead jewelry making tutorial. All right guys, so in this section I'll be showing you the most important equipment, okay, the things you need, all right, as a beaded jewelry maker to just make nice and sweet and lovely designs of jewelries. Okay, so I don't think from this point you are going to be seeing my face. Aww. Enough of seeing my face. You have seen this fine face a lot. We're going to get right into business from this point. Okay, so guys, I need you guys to watch, okay, and you need this equipment I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm showing you the important ones, not the ones you don't need. There are a lot of them, but I'm showing you the ones you need, okay, that are so important. I mean, these are the ones I literally use. I don't use any other ones. Like, these are the ones I use. So we're going to start up with this cutter. This is a cutter. So let's zoom in from this point. Come on in. This is a cutter. I've had this for a very long time. Okay, I've had this for a long time. Okay, so this is a cutter. You see this sharp edge here? I'm zooming this so that you guys can see. You see this sharp edge? This thing can cut irons. Like, it could literally cut wires. It can cut chains. What people used to cut chains and irons, jewelry makers, this is what they use. This is a cutter. We call this a cutter. This edge is very, very sharp. Okay, you can use this to cut irons, can use this to cut fish lines and all of that. Okay, I will show you in just a few how to use them. All right, this is a cutter. Look at the mouth. So look at how it looks like. It is a cutter. This is called a chain nose plier. This is a what? This is a chain nose plier, guys. This is what it looks like. Okay, these are the ones I've personally had this for years. These are the ones I got. I love something that is there. We have the bigger ones, but I love something that is just, you know, so small and then it's easy to use. Look at the mouth. It's a chain nose plier. Do you see how it looks like? Let me quickly zoom in this so that you guys can see. You see? This is a chain nose plier. You see how the mouth is? This is used for a lot of things. This is a very important equipment too. This is very, very important. So you need this. A chain nose plier. What did I call it again? I call this a chain nose plier. You see the mouth? This mouth is very powerful. Okay. Lastly, this is a round nose plier. This is a what? A round nose plier. We'll call this a what? A round nose plier. Look at what it looks like. This is a round nose plier. Okay, let me zoom in. This is a what? A round nose plier. Okay, this is used to curve a lot of things. I will show you how it's being used in a few. Okay, this is very important. It's used to curve. You see all those earring hooks you are seeing, all those chain end you are seeing that will look curved. This is what we use. This is what people use. Okay, there are some other tools too, but these are the 3 most important ones you need. Trust me, if you have these 3, you are good to go. There are other like 3 or 4, but these are the ones I use. Okay, I keep things simple. These are the ones I use. These are my power tools. These are my powerful equipment I use for all my jewelries. You can see that is old, so it's not looking like I just went to buy it. Okay, these are old. I've had this for years. This is what I use. This is what I use. We call this a tiger tail. See how it looks like. Let me zoom it in. So this is a tiger tail. You see what it looks like? This is the silver. I have the gold. There's the gold. The gold is finished. This is the silver. Okay, this is used to make jewelries, chains, earrings. This is used to make. It is very easy to use. It is not strong. Okay, I'm not saying it's like not strong. You cannot cut this easily except you're using this cutter or a scissors to cut it. Okay, this is strong. This is very durable for necklace and chains. I advise you use this for necklace and chains. Okay, this is a tiger tail. A tiger tail. This has the gold one, but my gold is finished, so I'm showing you guys the silver, so you can easily go and get the gold. A tiger tail. Okay, this is a tiger tail. All right, so this is a fish line. This is used to make jewelries, a lot of jewelries, earrings, bracelets. You can use this too. It depends on the one you want to use, but if you are using this, you know that you will sell the goods cheaper. Now when you are using this, you know that you will sell the jewelries expensive. Do you understand? Because this is way more expensive than this. Okay, this is strong. This is very strong when you use it. Okay, you are 100% rest assured. This is strong too. This will not cut when you secure this a number of times. Okay, while making jewelries, I will show you as time goes on. You will have to secure this. Okay, so I will show you guys as time goes on how to use it. So this is a tiger tail, and this is a fish line. A fish line. There are different sizes of this. So look at this. This size is this is a 0.35 mm. We have the thicker one. We have the 50 mm, 70. We have different. We have the ones that are more, that are tiny than this. We have 25. Okay, so it depends on the one you want to use. I love to use these ones for jewelry. I personally love to use this one for jewelry. Okay, but if it's a bag, okay, you're going to use like 70 ml. You know, when we get to that stage, we'll get there. Okay, but the bag is a different class on its own. Okay, so go and get these two. You can get this one, has the gold and silver, but this one is only this one, this color for fish line. You can use these two to do a lot. Now these are wires. Okay, these are what? Wires. You can see it. These are wires. These are 8M. See, this is a wire too, but this is just the smaller version. You can see this is 8M and this is 25M. Okay, now one thing you should know is that the lesser the millimeters, the stronger it is. Now look at this too. This is stronger. You see, this is thicker. Now let's look at this one. This is way more lighter than this. So we have, these are not the two types we have different ones. You see, this is thicker. When you put the two together, you see one is thicker than the other. You can see it. Let me zoom in. You can see that one is thicker. This is thicker than this one. Okay, so these are wires. These are all wires. You see, these are gold and this is silver. We have different types, and we have different kind of gold too, color and gold, different kind of silver. Okay, so it depends on the one. These are just samples that I want to show you. These are what? Wires. These are so good for making jewelries and all of that. When you have this, you need to sell it expensive because these are wires. Okay, so let's go over. So these are needles. We all know needles. Okay, we all know what needles are. Okay, so it's shocking to you guys that I use needles for my jewelries. Okay, just go and tell them beading needles. Beading needles. This is a normal needle that you use to sew your clothes. Okay, I use this one personally for when making pearl jewelries. These are other jewelries that I use because with this one cannot go through all of these beads. So you need these tiny beading needles to go through tiny mouth holes. Okay, so these are needles. You need needles. All right, these are jump spring. This is a game changer. Okay, these are jump spring. Now jump spring are used for earrings, necklace, bracelets. This is very important. Everything I'm showing is important. Okay, these are jump spring. This is what you will see at the end of every jewelry or earrings. You will see this. Okay, this is the gold one. I have the silver one, but since it's example, let me use this to show you. These are the gold ones. Okay, these are the gold ones. These are the gold ones. Okay, now you guys should get this also. Okay, you guys get this. This has a shorter length. This has gold and silver too. Get this. Get this. This is a hook you use for chains and earrings. You see, it's different from the other one. These are earrings hook. You need them too for making jewelries. Okay, these are earring hooks. These are the simplest, like very simple to use. We have a lot of hook, different kinds of hooks, but you can just get this at the market. This is the silver. This is what it looks like. We have both silver and gold. You see them? And then we have the end hooks. Look at it. The chain hooks. These are the chain. That is for earring. And these are chain hooks. We have a lot, different type of chain hooks, different kind of earring hooks. But you need this. This is the gold. This is the silver of it. So you see, you need to get this so that you use them for your chains. As a beginner, just get the simple ones. Okay, because we have different types. We have a lot. So these are the silver ones. So let me show you guys. These are the silver ones. So get these two. Get this earring hook and chain hooks. Okay. This is the last of the equipment. These are stoppers. You see these tiny little things. We use it to secure our jewelries at the end and earrings. Depending on the designs you are making. We have this, the silver one. Oh Lord, if this thing pour, you are going to You are going to go through hell to pick it up. Look at it, it just poured now. So you have to be careful with it because these are really tiny, and then if you pour them away, it's a lot of work to get them back. Okay, so these are stoppers. Okay, it's very important to use them for jewelries, for earrings. Okay, you might not use them for all, but this is very important. These are the gold ones, we have the silver ones too, and these are of different types too. Okay, so creative minds, I've been able to show you people the most important equipment you need. Okay, you need this equipment. Okay, once you get these ones, you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go to start up your beaded jewelry business. Okay, so guys, in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use these tools, and as time goes on you'll be seeing how I'm using them, making different kinds of jewelries. Okay, so that's it on this episode. So see you guys in episode 3 while I move on to the next one. All right, bye guys.